welcome to science today. Today we are going to do the carnations in food coloring experiment, which means that we'll put water in these jars, put a little food color in each of them, and then we'll put one carnation in each to see what happens. So let's get started. First I want to go over the science experiment sheet that I gave you. It's the overview. It just tells you what steps to use when doing the science experiment with your child, or if you're watching this video, follow along because these are the steps that I will be using. Okay. The next thing I wanted to go over was the scientific method, which is observe, predict, explore, and check. Okay, so I made sheets for you for each step, which is observe, what do we need, and it tells us what we need. Predict, what will it do? What do you think is going to happen with the experiment? Explore, look, listen, taste, feel, and smell. And check, what did it do? All right, so that's the last step. So the first step we need to do is observe. What do we need? We need 4 jars. We need water, white carnations or flowers. These were cheaper than carnations, so I just got those ones. Any white flower will do. We need food coloring and scissors. And I always have paper towel around, especially if you're dealing with liquids or anything that could get messy. So let's predict. Second step of the scientific method, predict. What will it do? Will color travel up the carnation or nothing? What will it do? So I want you right now to figure out what's going to happen. Pick which one you think is going to happen. Color travels up the carnation or nothing. So right now I want you to do that. And I'm going to get ready to do this. Okay, so now it's time to do the experiment itself. Look, listen, taste, feel, and smell. All right, let's do it. The first thing I need to do is I'm going to cut these carnations. I'm going to cut them pretty far up because they're tall anyways, and these jars aren't that tall. So cut those. And it's good to cut them because that way it's easier for the water to get into the flowers. Okay? So we have that. All right, next says put the water in. So we'll put the water in. Oh, this is why we have paper towel again, because it spills everywhere. More water. Fill this one up. Fill these up a little more. Okay. Let me get more paper towel. Okay. Made a very big mess. My goodness gracious. Okay, so next, let's put some food coloring in. I have the colors red, blue, green and yellow, kind of like what we did for the other, the celery one. So I'm hoping this one will turn out better than the celery one. I'm gonna do 10 drops so we really see it. Do blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Okay, so I'm going to change these two. So we have that. So it looks like that. So we have red, blue, yellow, green. All right, so let's see. So you put the food dye in just hours later. Okay, so what I'm going to do is all right, I'm going to take one of these. So we have, oh wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. All right, so I'm going to do red. I'm going to keep this one so we can see the difference. Blue, yellow, green. And I'm going to come back in a couple hours and see what happened, okay? All right, stay tuned. Don't lose the check because we're going to see if anything actually happens, okay? All right, see you in a couple hours. Bye. All right, guys, it's been a couple hours and I would like to say that I am starting to see colors. This one, if you can see, the green is going up through the stems. And remember, this is what it looks like. It was just plain white. So this one's starting to get red. The same with this one. You can see the blue coming through. And yellow is a little harder to see because the white is closest to the color yellow, but it is working and I can see it's starting to go up. I cannot wait to see what it's gonna look like tomorrow. So, since we have seen that, man, the red and the blue and the green, man, they are really coming. I mean, look at the red. Look at the red. I mean, you can see it all the way around. Like, how cool is that? Awesome. All right, so let's fill out the check sheet because you have seen what kind of changes happened. So check, what did it do? Did the coloring travel up the carnation or did nothing happen? So if you can see that the colors are starting to go up to the carnation and you can tell, or the flowers, because these aren't carnations, by the colors, most of the red looks like it's going to be really, we're going to see a lot tomorrow. just thinking about how it's been 5 hours, a little over 5 hours, since I put them into the jar. So we'll see what happens. And I think this experiment actually worked compared to the last one, which was kind of like a dud, but that's okay. You move on and you learn from it. So I hope you guys all have a great Wednesday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.